field inside of us. We want to be able to teach others and let others know what we actually know also. This is very important because as much as we are students in this place, this conference was very important because sometimes we assume that we are in a student environment and all we come to learn is just about your studies, as in your area of study. Like the previous speaker that was here before me, she is from the field of law, and if you listen to her, you will understand that she is very much inclined in what she is doing. And sometimes we only limit ourselves to that knowledge, and we think that, okay, I'm just a lawyer, I'm just an economist, I'm just an engineer and all that and all that. But you need to understand that you are in a diverse world. You are in